Hey everyone, today I will show you how to check TikTok Shop orders, and here's how it is done. Method 1. Direct access from profile. Open TikTok and log into your account. Go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon. Below the Add Bio option, you will see your orders. Tap on it. You can now track and manage your orders. Method 2. Through Settings. Open TikTok and log into your account. Tap the three lines in the upper right corner of the screen. Select Settings and Privacy. Under the Account section, tap on Your Orders. You'll be able to see unpaid orders, ship orders, review, and return options. Both methods lead you to the same place to manage your TikTok Shop orders. That is everything you need to know about how to check TikTok Shop orders. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.